I think I ruined my dress. I legit think I ruined it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ziyanda Nkunjana. A very warm welcome to all the new subscribers and to the oldie but the goodies. What it do, Billy gang? What it do, baby? So today is Friday, and you know what Friday means. It's Fashion Friday, and today I have a very special video. You guys, obviously I don't do this a lot, but I really enjoy sewing videos, and I am planning to give you guys more of those. So hopefully, definitely this is a first of many. And today I bring you a how-to with Billy. Today I'm going to be turning 2 items into 4. And if you are interested in seeing what that is or what I mean by that, please continue watching. If you've seen my previous video, which is, if you haven't, please go watch that video. You'll see that I was wearing this new dress and brown crop blazer, and a lot of people were asking, girl, did you make that? Where did you get it? I didn't make any of that. I thrifted the blazer years ago in Johannesburg. I got it probably for like 30 rand or something, and then it used to be a full blazer. It's a men's blazer, and then I turned it a crop jacket that morning of that lunch because it was a bit chilly, so I just needed to put something over, and it just worked perfectly. So today I'm gonna be recreating that look, but with a twist. I also have the dress that I was wearing, and I'm also going to be turning it into 2 looks. So what I'll need is, first, scissors. I got the scissors, so it's precious, but they're heavy, but I love them because they're left-hand scissors and they make me happy. The relevant color thread. This is the bobbin for the machine. Binding, and I'm gonna use the binding to bind the jacket. A hairpin, elastic, a tape measure. You're gonna see what the hairpin is for later, and obviously a sewing machine. My sewing machine is right here. And last but not least, obviously the clothing items. So if you would like to see how everything turns out, because Namanda's will turn out and but I'm hoping for the best, you know. Please continue watching. So first thing, I'm gonna start with the blazer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut a gauge to where I need to cut, and that is where the first button is, because this blazer is a bit more oversized than the brown one I was wearing, so I won't even have one button, because if I keep this button and I cut it here, it's going to be, let's try see what will happen when I cut. So I'm gonna cut that now. So with the dress, guys, I ironed it. Don't have any crisp. I did iron it. So with the dress, because I have a skirt that sort of looks like the skirt that I'm trying to achieve, like this skirt that I'm going to put on the screen now, I'm going to use that skirt to sort of gauge. I'm going to use that skirt to sort of gauge like how long and where I'm going to cut the dress. Like, I don't want to lose either of them, so I'm gonna try and make it long enough. So out of the dress, I want to make a skirt and a short dress out of it. So I'm gonna cut it in half, but I have to make sure that I don't cut it so that the dress is too short or the skirt is too long. Okay, because I just want a cute little skirt and a cute little dress. Okay, so I have a skirt that looks like the bottoms that I want, and I've made it before. It's a skirt I've made before, so I'm gonna use it to sort of gauge, and I'm also gonna try it out and see how that will do. And basically, this is how I want this to be the waist. So wish me luck. I'm so sorry. Guys, I think I ruined my dress. I think I ruined my dress, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna stress. I think I ruined it, hey? Okay, let's get to sewing. So what I'm gonna do first is bind my oh, it's kind of, as you guys have seen, I've already cut the blazer and it's now a crop blazer. Ta-da! So it's simple. So what I'm gonna do now is just bind the hems so that they're not loose like this from the cutting, and I will be done with this one. So I have this color binding, that's the closest color I had. So let's do that. So with the bottom part of the piece, I cut it out and I'm going to make a little head wrap out of it so that I can have something to match the blazer when I'm wearing it. So I'm going to cut it now straight, and then I'm going to sort of fold it in half. Yeah. Thanks. So guys, I'm gonna do the dress now. I have the top. Okay, I have the dress. So I'm just gonna hem it up, and then it will be Friday.